Many people ask for this. Many people want to know how to convert a PDF to a Word file. Not just copy text from a PDF to a Word file, but take a whole PDF file and convert it to a Word file, even if it has pictures, etc. Well, you are watching the right video. Let me show you. Here I have an example of a PDF file. Let's go a bit to it, and I will convert this PDF file to a Word file with all its content, all the pictures, etc. So what do you need to do? You need to go to this website Cloud Convert. This website is a file converter. It converts any file into the format you want. It has audio files, video files. You can read this document, ebook, archive, image, spreadsheet, a lot of files. So I want to convert a PDF to a Word file. So what I need to do is select file. I will select file. I will take it from my computer. Now I need to select in which file I want it, in which format I want it to convert to. So here I will select that. I want to convert it to a Word file. So that is doc or docx. Doc is a newer version so I will select docx. Now I need to press convert. Now it will upload the file to this website and it will convert the file, and then I need to download it. So let's wait for it. Okay, my file has been converted. The next step is to download this file. It will download right here. Let's wait for it. Now my file has been downloaded. I will open it and then we'll look right through it. Here you can see the PDF I showed you, but this time it's in a Word file. Look at this. The pictures are here, the text is here. Let me zoom in a little. Table of contents. Everything is here from the PDF file. As how the PDF file was, so it's in the Word file. So that's it. Check out the site, subscribe, like, and yeah, follow for more. I know I said the same thing.